whatever.
Your shot, your serve. Because I scored the last goal. How do you do that every time? Get out my way, I won't keep hitting you. From ground, ground. Oh, remember NBA Jam?
No, go this way?
Yeah. NBA Jam.
He's from downtown! He's on fire! He's from downtown! He's from downtown! What the? You're like good at this already. Yeah. Oh my god.
That was a little
bit.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're so cold over here, as Christian.
Hey, I'm up that beer here.
So, hurry up and make this.
Get out of here. What do you know? What are you, science? Are you science?
You are one lucky.
I think the table's off a little to your side too, because that should have not rolled away. We gotta get the level.
Hey, whoa, look at, like, that's what I'm doing all day. When you pull us, scratch 3 times. No, it's not doing anything. But it was sweet.
Here we go. What? 5 more to do. Get over there. Alright, now that's what I'm doing. Yeah, this table's off at the next round. Shots and then you go kick it. Who gives a fuck? He puts. Yeah! What the hell happened? I think it's foosball is space. That's what I'm saying. We need to adjust the table a little. It's going this way. More than my side. Rise from your grave. Remember that, altered beast? Remember that, altered beast? Altered beast? You're Sega. Rise from your grave. You're a man.
I never owned Sega. I didn't own video games growing up. I think that's why I enjoy PlayStation so much right now. Because I never had that. But that's why you're so bad. Whatever. But I want to do something I can do it hard.
You're a man, then you turn into a beast. Power up. You eat these pills. Oh, that's kind of messed up. Bunch of kids that pills make you powerful. Oh, you remember Pit Fighter? Oh, I guess you just told me about that. You screwed up, man. What'd you talk about? That's why you're so good at history. talk about all your friends. Very much. Not video games? Huh? I don't know.
Yeah, hang out on video games.
Shit!
Oh, you almost went all the way. Yeah, just like me. Woo! Damn it.
Now you gotta give me some beer and let's drink some beer. Just another picture to burn.
Is talking back?
You have to like you're shooting a gun. You're scared gang. Ain't no spinning, man.
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
You get me now, I'll get you back. Sorry. You get me now, I'll get you back.
Sorry.
Get me now, I'll get you back. Everybody's sorry.
We're sorry.
Oh! Yeah, you said
Oh my.
you said
I'm a mine. I'm mine. I thought my phone just broke again.
Bullshit.
What movie was that? What movie was that when Jack Black's like, I'm a mine? Oh, yeah. That was just an unbelievable shot on my part.
That's it.
I think I still need to pick this up.
Roll it, roll it.
Freaking low. At that gay rock. Bring the four-wheeler down here too, you donuts.
Don't twist my arm.
We'll race it around this track here that's set up just for
Sounds
us.
good, I'll bubble driving, but...
We will, though. It may be
Yeah.
bad. Okay. Let's do this. That's what I like to see. Big whipper. That's a 5 for me. What are the odds? Well, just give me a statistic. I don't care what it is about. What are the odds? Nothing. Whoa, that was open goal. Open is your legs in the sarcasm.
You're kidding me. This is fucking...
From downtown.
It's fixed, man.
It's all about angles, dude. Major boobage. I'm gonna keep doing it now. Until I score on myself. Ah, piss myself. I'm gonna wet myself. I busted it out. That's the way. You scored on. Drink some beer. Drink some beer. Did you have a little breakdown there? Slam into a freaking carpet. Ah! Oh. Oh, thank you, blue guy. Put a number on him. Deserves it.
Pissing me off now.
Hey,
Piss me off. you bitch.
hey, come on. Pieces, what the pounds, baby.
I'm just better at stuff when I'm lazy, man. Better at bar games.
This game.
Re-rack?
I'll give you up on 2. Let's go.
No, it's bullshit. It's done.
The only way you're gonna be good.
Too low.
Nice hit, dude.
Line scrimmage. Come and get it! Shit, my God, that hardly ever again spun dang crack when we get out of my hand. That's backflip, dudes.
Good job, stupid dickhead.
I'm a mime. Put a point up, bag. Hey,
Squirrel yourself.
put a point up.
Counts.
Okay, well, either way, we're tied up. You want that point or not? I'm starting to get a flow. Like a period kind of flow. Foosball flow.
Yes.
Holy shit, we're gonna be good at foosball, you're right.
Yeah, so
What the hell was that?
don't worry about it.
The scary uncle? Good name, boy. Shit. The old Razzmatazz. Do it again.
No, it's just loose piece of wood over there.
Well, I thought we were gonna have some excitement, you know.
The speck of residence.
Drink up, shawty. Shawty, go on, drink. Body's in there, club.
Oh, Bill.
Bam.
Oh, gosh. Start to get that this reset.
I always thought it was one goal, not three. One in the middle, you know?
I don't know, it just started happening. I started knowing.
Off the goalie.
Learning. That's learning. How to juggle? Oh shit, camera's on.
Yeah, she'll lose it. Some call him Jason. Oh, I'm a mime. This poor can never knew what was coming. The old foosball table. I remember it like it was yesterday. Soft pads on the handles, caressing my calloused working hands. take this stupid thing off.
It's so widescreen.
What?
It's so widescreen that it's almost better to film like this. It's gonna look like shit on a video.
Whoa, you look cool, dude.
You look famous.
What if I lose this game? Which is impossible because I always win.
Suck an egg, yeah.
Suck an egg, yeah, like.
Alright, well, who's playing me?
Change the battery pack.
I'm sorry, it didn't work the way that I wanted it to. I'm sorry it didn't turn out the way.
Zeke, tell me about your explorations.
Zeke the Plumber. Well, he tried to go off the stairs.
Sounded like Plake the Plumber.
Zeke the Plumber.
Here he comes! Ah, I'm so scared! I'm so scared!
I'm so startled. Look at his hand face.
Zeke the Plumber. Zeke the Plumber.